What I wish I knew before downloading that NPM package? It could have saved me from a major cybersecurity nightmare. Cybercriminals are targeting Ethereum developers with fake Hardhat NPM packages. These malicious packages impersonate the Nomic Foundation's Hardhat tool, stealing critical data like private keys and mnemonics. The list of counterfeit packages includes names like at Nomics Foundation/SDK test, which has been downloaded over 1,000 times. Once installed, these packages harvest sensitive info and send it to attacker-controlled servers. The attack starts when compromised packages are installed, exploiting the Hardhat runtime environment to collect private keys and configuration files. The data is then transmitted using hard-coded keys and Ethereum addresses for streamlined exfiltration. This threat is part of a broader trend. Recently we saw another malicious NPM package named Ethereum Vuln Contract Handler, which drops the Quasar Rat malware. Malicious NPM packages are even using Ethereum smart contracts for command and control server address distribution, creating a blockchain-powered botnet called Misaka Network. To protect your data, verify package authenticity, exercise caution when typing package names, and inspect the source code before installation. Stay safe and stay vigilant.